Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all guys are doing absolutely well. So today in this video, I'm gonna let you know 5 crazy hot selling low competitive Fiverr gigs what you can offer without having any previous experience. So let's see how and what it is and how we're gonna do this. But before I start the tutorial, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can also join our Facebook group premium share to get daily updates. So here our first gig, what we can offer is Diploma Certificates. Yes, you heard that right. If you just search with that keyword Diploma Certificate in Fiverr, you will see there are less than 200 competition or the sellers are available, but among them all of the sellers are selling and they are their work on Diploma Certificate. You can see here level 2 seller, level 1 seller, and the newbie seller also getting sale with that keyword, I mean with that gig. It's a really easy gig. What they are providing is a certificate design to their clients, to their customers. So if you just read their description and read their offer, what they provide, you will understand that it's just a design for a certificate. You can see here the demo what they are providing. They are just giving away the design. So how you can create your own without having the knowledge of hard Photoshop or illustration. So here comes the first site what we can use. So our first site is canva.com. So in Canva you will find a section for Diploma Certificate templates. So you can use this. There are a lot of templates you can see here. You can use this, and also if you just visit this site called Prepic or PNG3, the description here, I will give all the links what I'm gonna show you right now. This site also having so many certificate templates what you can use. Just you have to download and change the names and the record field what your buyer or client gives you to add, and then you can just give them the ready-made certificate design and sell it as your own. So this is really easy and you can do it in no time. If you just write in Fiverr or discount card, you will see there are only 19 service available who are providing this type of cards to their clients, to their customers, to their buyers. So you can see there this the gift card, I mean is discount card. So they just provide image source file, and for that they charge between 5 to 10 or sometime $15. And most important thing is the level 2 or level 1 or the new seller also getting sale here. Okay, this is a new seller and he get a sale but bad review. So for what bad review, if we just check here, we will understand the buyer is not satisfied with him because he gives him 20 plus revisions, but he just waste his time. And now you have a technique. If you open a new account and see like this unsatisfied buyer, so you can just use the username and search that buyer, and you can personally knock him. If you see that buyer is not satisfied with him, so you can offer him your service if you see it's not less than a week. How you can do this, or we can use these sites. Okay, this is the sites called Design Wizard. So if you come to this site, you will see there are a lot of templates, ready-made templates. You have to just these all are free, so you have to click on any of the templates and you will able to download or edit this for your buyer. So you can see these are the so rich content here and premium templates you can use for your own. Third gig, basically it's not third, but it's the design, as it's from design work, so we can just count it these 3 gigs as one. So this gig is just a gift card, and the competition is really low. You can see while I'm searching there are 400 around 400 services are available. So you can see all the top rated sellers and new sellers are getting sale, and sellers are selling the product with a high rate, the top sellers. But if you see the new sellers, they are selling for $5 the same product. So how you can do this in no time? So for that you have to visit again that site called Canva, and you can use that link, Canva gift certificates, then template. So after you search with that keyword, now you will find out there are again a lot of ready-made templates what you can use, and these templates are really working. So that's why they give here in the website. So you can just download here from here, and you can again use that site called Vetsy. So from here you can also get a lot of rich cards, logos for you, gift cards, discount cards. You can just download and read it, or you can edit in site like Canva and download and provide to your buyer. So it's a cool and most easiest way to do gift card without Photoshop. Now here it's a pretty tough for among the gigs, but if you have some knowledge for generating or collecting emails, you can do this. So what you have to do, just search with that keyword. Here is a lot of competition with this short keyword, but if you search with that keyword, best B2B lead generation, then you will see there are very less competition for you. And if you see the new sellers are getting also sell with that keyword, now you can just offer a gig with that title, with using that title, and you can provide here. You can see that this person is providing 100 leads to their client. Now it's site called Paper Leads. So just come here and create an account, and you can also use this site called Sales QL. So this both side will give you 150 credits, so 1 credit for 1 email. So for free you can use okay, so here you can see 100 credit for free, so you can give them a free. But if you have $1 or some money, so you can purchase their premium service to go for a long run. Now here personally I would like to recommend you for this job, you should go for Paper Leads. So why? Because if you come to their add their extension on your Google Chrome bar, and whenever you just click on this and come over to your LinkedIn and save all the clients, you will see the emails and company information. So you can use that. Anyway, let's jump over to our next work. What we can do, it's business name and slogan. Okay, so business name and slogan, these are also a really easy work to do. You don't have to do anything. All you need just to give your client a brand name, a unique brand name, a unique slogan for his business, and for that you can charge them up to $20, $10, or even $50 for just a name. So but it should be a unique name or slogan. For that you can use the service called Overlow or the Shopify. Now what the site here, we can just use this site Overlow and come to tools, and from tools you have to go for slogan generator or the name generator, business name generator, and here you have to put your business, what your business do, what your business is related. So suppose your business is related to painter or something. Now if you just search with the painter, now here you can see all the possible business names here. Now if you just again go for a slogan with painter, and here you have to create click on generate slogan, and here you can see there are more than 1,000 slogans for you, what your buyer or you can deliver to your buyer for his business. So it's cool. All you need, just ask your buyer what his business is all about, and you can use those keywords to generate a slogan or a business or brand name. But I show you now here our another gig what we can provide to our clients. You can see here I have almost complete all the tabs here: graphic design, digital marketing, writing sections. What gigs are easy to deliver to your buyer without having any previous knowledge, just doing some little work. So here this gig is about to resume writing. So it's tough, but you can see here our competition is a little bit, but if you just see the what they are providing and what is the file, you don't have to do at all. What you just have to focus on what they are providing. If you just see they are providing good sales, good resume, or good a good CV, so you can charge them up to $100 or $60 or $50 for just a CV. You don't have to personally write yourself the CV. What you can do, you have to go this site called Novo Resume. Now here you can just simply create a free resume for your buyers. Now this is a pretty easy, and you will get a rich template, a ready-made template. You just download and give all the information what your buyer give you. Now the second site is resume.io. You can also use this site to get a free resume, and the resume genius. In 15 minutes you will generate and able to create a CV for your buyer, and you can charge your buyer more than $50 for a 50-minute. Isn't that cool? So you can if you like, or if you want, you can go with this gig and offer to your buyer. Now let's jump to our last gig, what we can provide and what is less competitive. It's subtitle. Okay, here we can provide subtitles to our buyer. Subtitle gig, it's you can see here there is less than 10,000 competition, but the sellers are getting sale, new sellers are, and top sellers all are getting sales. But if you just see very carefully, you will see they are providing all the basic gigs is 5 minutes, and they are charging $5. So if you search with that keyword SRT subtitle, not with only subtitle, if you just go with SRT subtitle, you'll see your competition get so low down, and you will get all the targeted buyer in your attention. Now how you can provide all the subtitle service. If you don't know how you can do this work, I mean how you can do or add subtitle in video, it's really easy. If you just follow the video here, you have to come over this site called Get Subtitles, and here you will able to create 20 minute subtitle video. So if your video is 20 minutes or less than 20 minutes, you can create the subtitle for your video for free here. Now if you have some money, you can go with the premium version of those sites. But here I have already give a solution or give a video on that topic. If you just come over to my YouTube channel, you will see in two months ago I have completely share with you, or I am giving you knowledge how you can provide them this offer. So these are all the gigs you can provide to your buyer without having any previous knowledge or the low competitive gigs. Okay, you can offer those gigs to your clients or buyers and get sale of them. So it's pretty easy. You don't need any too hard knowledge for that. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. Thanks.